Alright, this is not related to the shop. It's a nice day, so I wanted to come outside, sit down, and I just got a new toy, as you can see, the Mavic Air 2. But I wanted to share a little unboxing of my new little prize. See what's all in here. I got the Mavic Air 2 Fly More combo, because it'll come with the extra batteries, and what is this, the ND filters? I guess that's just a single charging port. I don't really know what this is on that part. Extra blades, the carrying case, and then the ability to charge all 3 batteries at one time. Controller, drone itself. But anyways, let's get in the box. Awkwardly. Put that down. Yeah. But I had the original Mavic Pro, and I keep having issues with it. The little ribbon and the gimbal keeps going out on me, so there's that. So I got tired of taking it apart and repairing it. Yeah, maybe that's, oh, because there's tape on it. I didn't see that. But I think I've replaced the ribbon twice in the gimbal on the Mavic Pro. And then this last time I was down in St. Lucia and I was filming the Pitons with my drone. And I was up probably about 300 feet in the air. And I don't remember how far away I was, but I was not close to the beach anymore. And I was trying to get everywhere I could get a good shot of the Pitons and see. And all of a sudden my drone decided to start doing 360s in the air and telling me gimbal, what does it say again? The gimbal overload. Well, in the middle of my flight randomly. I was like, you know what? I'm done with this drone. I'm taking it home, I'm repairing it, and I'm selling it, and I'm buying something else. Well, I put the whole buying it off for quite some time, and then the Mavic Air 2 came out, and I've been watching video after video after video of this thing, and I'm like, yeah, I want it. And so I bought it. Kind of cool, little carrying case. That's better than, because I had a little book bag that I kind of turned into a carrying thing for my drone when I traveled. Oh, that's just a side pocket. I think this will be how you open. There we go. Nice and packed in there, nice and neat. Get the drone itself out. Got little rubber cushions where the blades are going to go. It's kind of cool. And this is another, I figured after they came out with the Mavic Pro, and I saw they came out with the Mavic Pro 2, I was like, that gimbal housing looks much sturdier than what came on the original Mavic Pro. Because I posted in one of the drone groups I follow that I kept having issues with it, and like they started acting like, it's user error, this and that, and I'm like, dude, like, not my first rodeo, bud. I'm not hitting the fail gimbal button while I have it up in the air. But anyways, when I saw the gimbals on these, I was like, they look much better designed than that first go around. Just the way, like, you could see the ribbon in the first one, and just, I don't know, that ribbon was terrible. I mean, the slightest bit of anything, travel or whatever, seemed to, about once a year it felt like I had to replace it, kind of thing. But I mean, I don't use my drones crazy a whole lot, but at the same time I probably fly more than most people do. I like making videos, which is what led to me making this YouTube channel, or the many YouTube channels that I have tried to start but have never taken off the ground. I just checked my old one that I gave up on, and like I have at least 6 videos now that have over 1,000 views each. I have one that has 5,000 views. Like that channel decided to take off randomly after I gave up on it. But anyways, I started a new one, and it is The Vlogging Machinist, where this is actually posted to. On the one that seems to be taken off now, I added a video saying, hey, by the way, I'm not updating this channel anymore. And if you would like to follow me still, The Vlogging Machinist is where you will find my newest updates and things like that as far as videos go. I'm getting all these stickers off of it, that's all I'm doing at the moment. I'm gonna read Mavic Air 2, heck yeah. 1/2-inch sensor, 48 megapixel, 4K 60, I think is what this thing will shoot. Jesus, they put stickers everywhere on this thing. So make sure you go around the whole drone looking for these stinking stickers. They're on everything. Every time I open something up, I'm finding a new sticker. Oh, we got another one down here for no apparent reason. Why is there a sticker there? Well, that makes sense. What in the world were you protecting right there? That doesn't even, oh, I guess so in shipping so the leg wouldn't rub up against the drone and put scuffs on it. Ah, yeah, buddy. Get that off of there. So we're good on this. Backward sensors. Let's close that back up. Let's see if the battery has any power in it. Where's the lights at? Oh, they're on the actual button. I can't see that. Looks like it doesn't have power. But anyways, I'm not trying to fly right this second. Anyways, I need to get it out, look at everything, charge everything up, and then we'll get to all that. Let's see what this is. This feels like the batteries. The actual piece, and that's all that was in that. Alright, let's close that back up. I might want to keep that to hold all that stuff. For the Fly More combo, if you look at how much these batteries cost, I mean, you save money by buying the Fly More combo. Camo. What was I talking about there? But anyways, just buying these little guys would cost more than what the Fly More combo costs, because you get 2 extra ones and that 3 charger. But like I said, just the batteries alone are worth it. So definitely went with that when I saw how much these batteries are. Your typical DJI charger. I wonder if it's the same amount of prongs. I don't know. I'll have to look that up. So I got a bunch of those. I thought I lost one. This last vacation we went on, when we went on the cruise to like the Pitons, and I think we went to St. Thomas, Puerto Rico, Antigua, St. John's, I think I already said St. Lucius, and the Barbados. It was a really cool cruise. Unfortunately, it might be the last one we ever go on with the whole coronavirus nonsense is going on now. So I'm glad we did a big one. If it was going to be our last one, it's going to be the charging port for the multiple batteries. Let's see how this works. I've been wondering that, like how it plugs in. How does it plug in? Oh, you plug the actual charger, haha, right there into it, and it just trips it up. All right, finally the controller. Watch enough videos, I know the toggles are underneath it. I can't not watch new drone videos when they come out until I assess over it enough that I go buy one myself. It's gonna be a lot better than how the Mavic used to be. I'm gonna leave that alone for now. I'm gonna charge it up before I actually start going over this thing. From my understanding, these are the actual antennas now. That's cool. I like how that goes in there now. So that cord, God, that was a pain with the old Mavic. Jeez Louise, man. How many times I would misplace that cord and not have it with me. Like if you go watch my video while I'm in, I think it's Antigua, and we went horseback riding and everything like that, and then finally, it was the first day that the weather was permitting, everything, I could get my drone in the air, and then I forgot this cord on the cruise ship. I was so angry at myself. I was limited to how high I could fly it and how far away and everything else. I was having to walk around the beach to be able to go to different areas to fly my drone. I was really mad at myself that day. But anyways, getting back to this. I'm making this video long enough as it is. So just talking. All right, that's everything. All right, the blades are in this, yes. Okay, so here's all your extra blades. That's a whole package of extra blades. That's awesome. But anyways, let's put this all back in where it goes. That's cool. They actually integrated this into the gimbal holder also. So now it's not a 2-piece thing where you actually have like a gimbal lock you put on and this thing. It looks like this is the gimbal lock. Is that the case? Let's verify that. Get in there. There we go, like that. And then click that in. Yeah, the gimbal can't move around. That is awesome they did that. I'm really glad now I don't have to keep up with 2 pieces. I just have to keep up with the 1. Yay, DJI. Way to get better at what you do. It's my first new drone since the original Mavic Pro. So they may have fixed that on the 2 also. It could be this way, but I don't know because I didn't have one of them. Because I was aggravated at how quickly the Mavic Pro 2 came out after the Mavic Pro, considering I pre-ordered the Mavic Pro. I'm gonna get that back together, but that's basically it. That's everything for it. I'm gonna clean up out here, and I will talk to you guys later. As I was setting these up to charge, I noticed something nobody has said in a video I've watched. But if you look, it's only charging that battery. There you got all 3 plugged in. That is the only one charging. And when I plugged this one in, because I started this direction, went this way, this one started charging, and then stopped when I plugged this one in, this one started, and then this one stopped when I plugged this one in, and this one started. So it's not technically powering all these at the same time. It's going to do one at a time, and then go through them, it looks like. I will verify that here in a little bit. So yes, it does seem to be that it moves from one battery to the next. And so this one is charging now after that one's done. So these are the things I missed yesterday when my unboxing. I didn't realize that there was an actual top zipper right here, and that's where you're going to find these items when you unbox it. You got extra little toggles for your controller, the actual connecting pieces, like you can actually use an Android or the older Android plug, and then a newer Android plug, and that's where I replaced the Apple one that I couldn't use. This I'm not really sure what it is. I think you plug one of your batteries in and then it becomes a USB charger port. Like I guess you could charge your phone on it. And then the ND filters. Yeah, buddy. And what did it come with actually? It's got a 16, a 64, and a 256. Yeah, man. But those are the items I missed. I actually got really angry because I couldn't find them. I was like, did they shaft me on my Fly More kit? Okay, well come here.
Okay.
Let's scoot over to your left, please. A little shaky when you're turning.
That's an eagle. You see, say hi, eagle. Well,
it is really smooth though when it's in tripod mode. Normal, it's much faster than normal. Bud, to your left. Stay away from the camera, please.
Okay.
Scoot over. Please, please. Here, you just get on my left and I'll stand next to the camera so you can't get close to it. Sport mode. Dang, that thing tilts. Woo! Ooh, it is quick in sport mode. That is crazy responsive. Whoop.